This is the iPhone 5s, and in this short video I'll show you some settings and features you need to enable right now on any old iPhone to make it faster, better, and also last longer on battery and still usable. So without taking much of your time here, let's jump to the video now. The first settings I'd like you to turn on is to turn on reduce motion. So for iPhones running on iOS 12, you open settings, then you tap on general, scroll down and tap on accessibility. For iPhones running on the version of iOS, you open settings, then you scroll down over here. Now you tap on accessibility. So inside accessibility, you should see motion here. Now tap on the switch here to turn on reduce motion. So this will reduce motion of the user interface and other effects to make the device faster. Tip number 2 here is to turn on low power mode. You can turn this on when you open settings. You scroll down to battery, then you should see low power mode over here on top of the battery percentage. Now you tap on the switch to turn it on. Moving on to the next tip will help you take high quality videos and pictures on your old iPhone. To enable this, open settings, then you scroll down to camera. Then over here you select record video. So there are a lot of options here you can choose from, but to get the best results out of your camera on your device, you choose from 720p to 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second, or you can choose 4K if only your device supports. So tip number 4 here is to uninstall any applications on your iPhone you don't use anymore, which could be taking much space on your device, causing it to slow down. So to do this, you long press on that particular app and you get this pop-up. Then you tap on delete app to delete the app from your device completely. But if for any reason you don't want to delete the app together with the data, you can also offload it. So inside settings, you scroll down and tap on general, then iPhone storage. So this will show every application on the device. Once you select the particular application, then you should see delete and offload. So when you press on offload, this will delete the application, leaving the data behind. So anytime you reinstall the application, you still have your data back inside the app. So I consider this to be a very important thing you need to do on your device, and is to update your device to the latest operating system once it is made available. Updates normally come with fixed bugs and other new features. So to do this on your iPhone, you open settings, then you tap on general. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then you tap on software update. You wait for it to load, and if there is any new version of iOS available for your device, this will show up here. Then you download and install and make your device feel fresh again. So these are some few tips to make your iPhone feel better, and if you found this video helpful, please drop a like on it. Also leave a comment in the comment box. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Also share this video to your friends who need to see this, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.